Hey, my friends! I'm very happy to see you today. My name is Lina. Today, I want to introduce you to my family and my life of them. I also want to talk about our daily routine and our home. I will speak slowly, calmly, and clearly. I want you to understand every word. Please listen to me very carefully. Try to repeat after me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are normal, and mistakes help us learn. Today, we will learn English in a simple and fun way. So please focus with me, and let's start together. Are you ready? Let's go.
I live with my family, and I really love them. My family is not very big, but it is full of love, warmth, and comfort. There are 5 people in my family: my mother, my father, my brother, my little sister, and me. Each person in my family is different. Each one has a special personality. Now I will tell you about them one by one. I want to start with my mother. For me, the house is beautiful because of my mother. My mother is a very kind, calm, and loving woman. She always speaks softly, and she listens carefully. When I feel sad or tired, I talk to my mother. After talking to her, I feel better. My mother loves cooking very much. She enjoys preparing food for the family. She says cooking is her way to show love. Every morning she wakes up early. She prepares breakfast for all of us. The smell of food fills the house, and it makes us happy. My mother also loves cleaning and organizing the house. She likes everything to be simple and tidy. She loves plants and flowers. She puts small plants in the living room and the kitchen. She says plants give positive energy to the home. In the evening, my mother likes to drink tea, sit quietly, talk with us. Sometimes she watches TV, and sometimes she just listens to us talk. For me, my mother is the heart of the home, the source of warmth, the reason our home feels peaceful. Now, let me tell you about my father. My father is a strong, calm, and patient man. He works hard every day to take care of our family. Every morning, he wakes up early. He drinks his coffee quietly and prepares for work. My father likes reading books and watching the news. He enjoys learning new things. In the evening, he sits in the living room. He reads, relaxes, or talks with us about our day. Sometimes, my father gives me advice about life. He tells me, be patient, be kind, believe in yourself. When my father is at home, I feel safe and protected. His presence makes the house calm. I have a brother. He is 15 years old. My brother is very active, energetic, and social. He loves sports, especially football. After school, He plays football with his friends. He also enjoys running and moving all the time. My brother loves music and video games. Sometimes his room is noisy, but he makes us laugh. He likes jokes and funny stories. The house feels alive because of him. Sometimes we argue, but that is normal. At the end of the day, we care about each other. He is not only my brother, he is also my friend. Now, let me talk about my little sister. My little sister is young, sweet, and full of life. She loves drawing, coloring, playing with toys. She asks many questions every day. She is curious about everything. She loves cartoons and bedtime stories. At night, she asks my mother to read her a story. Her laughter fills the house. When she smiles, everyone smiles. She brings joy, innocence, and happiness to our family. Now, let me tell you about our daily routine. In the morning, we all wake up early. My mother prepares breakfast in the kitchen. We sit together at the table. We eat, talk, and smile. This moment is very important for us. It makes us feel connected. After breakfast, my father goes to work. My brother goes to school. I start my daily activities. My little sister stays with my mother. During the day, everyone is busy. But in the afternoon, we come back home. We eat lunch together when we can. We talk about what happened during the day. In the evening, we sit in the living room. Sometimes we watch TV. Sometimes we talk and laugh. We feel relaxed and comfortable together. Our life is simple, but we are happy. Now, I want to tell you about our home. Our house is not big, but it is very warm and cozy. It is full of love, safety, and peace. This house is not just a place to live. It is the place where we feel ourselves. The living room is the place where we meet. It has a comfortable sofa and soft colors. In the evening, we sit here together. We talk, laugh, and share stories. This room brings us closer. The kitchen is always full of life. My mother cooks here every day. The smell of food makes us feel hungry and happy. We talk while cooking and eating. My room is my personal space. It is quiet and peaceful. I study, read, and relax there. It is the place where I feel calm. My sister's room is colorful and playful. It has toys, drawings, and bright colors. It shows her happy personality. We have a small garden. It is simple but very relaxing. We sit there in the afternoon. We enjoy fresh air and calm moments. I feel very grateful for my family and my home. This house is full of love, safety, warmth. My family gives me strength and confidence. Before I say goodbye, I want to give you some tips. Don't be afraid to speak. Don't fear mistakes. Practice every day. Listen and repeat. Every small step is important.
With time, your English will improve. Now it's your turn. Tell me about your family. How many people are in your family? Do you live with them? Who is your mother? Who is your brother or sister? How is your home? You can say, "This is my mother. This is my brother. This is my home." Remember, mistakes help you learn. Thank you so much for listening. Now you know my family and my home, the place where I feel happy. See you next time. Bye-bye.